AI can help you build a simple app from scratch, even if you are not a coding expert. You come up with an idea, describe it to an AI, and within minutes you have a fully functional app ready to go. If this sounds like science fiction, today I'm going to show you how I created a fun and educational web app using AI in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. I'm going to take you through the journey where I teamed up with ChatGPT to build a web app that quizzes the user on the national birds of different countries. And this is not about coding. The idea here is not for me to understand coding or learn coding, rather, it is to use AI to do a job which I wouldn't have the expertise to do myself. So let's first break down the idea that I have. The goal is simple. I want to create an app that quizzes the user on the national birds of countries. So I want the app to choose a random country and ask a question to the user. And based on the response of the user, the app should verify if the answer was correct and give the feedback to the user. And to get started, let's just use some random 5 countries. I do want the web page to be a bit funky and colorful, and the heading should be guess the national bird. Okay. And I would like to have instructions to launch the app. So with that prompt, ChatGPT basically starts giving me the response, which and it gives me the code. So basically, it has given me the HTML code, which would uh, basically display the app to me. It gives me the CSS code, which styles the web page. And this is where the magic happens, or rather the logic of the program, which is in a JavaScript file. Ah, great. Next, ChatGPT also tells me a little bit about how the web app works. So if I'm interested in creating an app and how the various components work, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, um, there are some details about that. But what I'm more interested in is how to run the app. So ChatGPT tells me I need to create these 3 files, index.html, styles.css, and script.js. So copy the code provided into these files and open index.html in your web browser. Start a quiz. Okay, let's try that out. So created these 3 files, and now let's open up index.html. Hey presto. Okay, so there's the quiz. Now remember, I only gave the list of countries to the app. I did not provide the answers. So looks like ChatGPT has guessed the answers and put it in its code. Let me try. So what's the national bird of India? That's easy. Peacock. Correct. Great job. Thailand. You. I don't know that one. Maybe fowl? Nope. The national bird of Thailand is Siamese. Fireback. Japan. Is it pheasant? Nope. Green pheasant. Okay. National bird of Australia. Oh yeah, that bird that break dances. It's called an emu. Great job. And then maybe it will just loop through the countries, choosing a country at random. Great. So that was a fantastic experience where ChatGPT within minutes just helped us to create uh, this app and even give us the instructions how to launch it. I hope you enjoyed this video and you try it out yourself. Now, when you try out the instructions yourself, remember that ChatGPT could very well give you a completely different app. It may not look exactly the same because every time you give the same instructions to ChatGPT, it's going to predict the answer and not remember the answer that it provided to me. So why don't you try it out yourself and let me know how it goes?